says about, accordingly, the news reports appear to be distorted and incorrect in the minister's statement. Sir, if the news report appears to be distorted and incorrect, whether the government or the particular minister is ready, whether they sued against this newspaper, especially Indian Express. They can sue. The government can sue against the newspaper if it is a distorted report. So that means it is, and this is again a privilege question. Again, they are coming with such a statement here, and they are not going for any legal recourse against these kind of agencies. Sir, and finally the statement says that this government is opposed to all statesmen's speeches which divide the country on the basis of religion, caste and creed. The government is fully committed to the constitution and the law of the land. Sir, our constitution, our preamble itself says about the unity, about equality, liberty and justice. Sir, the Delhi police recently took a case, we all discussed about the JNU case, the case of anti-national provisions. But if the government is responsible, then the government, it is not necessary to go behind the students and universities and putting different cameras or surveillance system everywhere. It is easy for protecting the country and protecting the unity of the country. If the government is, the Honorable Home Minister is giving some direction to the police forces in the country to do some surveillance on its ministers and MPs. If they are ready to stop their hatred speeches, these hate speeches, then the country will be saved. Sir, the way they are doing cases against the university students and other people in the country, it shows their actual intent. Sir, the ministers and the common BJP leaders are saying something and they are getting promoted as MPs or MLAs. Then the MPs are fighting for giving this statement, good statement. If some good statement, such a statement is then coming, then they will be promoted as ministers. Sir, we know from Muzaffarnagar onwards, the honorable man who was behind the Muzaffarpur incident, he was Muzaffarnagar incident. He was elected later and he was elevated as a minister. So this is the class, this is the model the government is giving, the party is giving before the people. So the ministers are fighting in between for making more and more this kind of anti-people and anti-people statement for the provocating statements. So I want to know only, as a question, whether any such cases were charged against any of the leaders, ministers or any activists of BJP against this kind of statement in the last 1 year. I want to know about that. Sir, this is not only about BJP. In Bengal, one MP, yes, he spoke publicly that CPM women will be raped. We will send our people to rape CPM people. This kind of, because junior partners or different state governments are also, state parties are also doing the same thing. So I want to know about the cases.
Yes, Balgobar, sit down, time over. Sri Avinash Rai Khanna. Avinash Rai Khanna.
Sir,